In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an existing design and create a translated version with the tone you want, all without disrupting your layout. Start by opening Adobe Express and loading the project you want to translate. This can be a design, a template, or even a PDF you've brought into Express. Make sure the text you want to translate is editable. If your text lives inside an image, it won't translate automatically, so ensure you're working with true text layers. Next, switch into page-level editing. Click anywhere outside the canvas on a blank area around your design to reveal the page-level menu. From there, choose Edit Page. This confirms you're working at the page scope and makes it easier to manage multiple text elements across your design, especially if you're translating more than one page. Now, open the Translate panel. Look to the left sidebar and select Translate. This panel is where you'll control language and tone, and it keeps everything organized so you don't miss a section. Choose your target language in the Translate to drop-down. Pick the language you want your audience to read. Right below that, you can set the tone of voice. Select formal for business, academic, or professional contexts. Choose informal for more casual posts, social graphics, or playful content. If you want to keep the original feel as much as possible, select Don't Change. Tone simply affects word choice and phrasing. It won't alter your design elements. Decide which pages you want to translate. If your project has multiple pages, pick the ones that matter for this version. Then, click on the specific text objects you'd like translated on those pages. You're in control here. Only the text you select will be translated. This is helpful for keeping brand names, numbers, or short taglines unchanged if that's what you prefer. With your pages and text elements selected, click Translate to generate the translated version. Adobe Express will apply the new language to the chosen text while preserving your layout as closely as possible. Depending on the language and length of the translation, you might see line breaks or spacing adapt automatically. That's normal, and your design remains fully editable if you want to fine-tune the fit or styling afterward. And that's the process. You've successfully translated your design in Adobe Express, complete with control over language and tone, and without affecting elements you didn't select. Use this same workflow for posts, presentations, flyers, or PDFs to quickly reach audiences in different languages with confidence.